Turning back to our top story this morning, in just a few hours, an appeals court will hear arguments on a Texas law that would allow state law enforcement to detain and jail migrants, state law enforcement. It comes just hours after the Supreme Court declined to intervene. So there are many elements to this. This is why we have team coverage. Going to continue right now with Jan Crawford, who is joining us for more on the legal fallout, and then Camilo Montoya-Galvez reporting from Texas at the border. We're going to start things off with you, Jan. So, Jan, you know I go to bed early. So when I went to bed, I assumed that what we were going to be talking about was, you know, the ways in which this Texas law was being implemented. So as you can imagine, my shock when I came into work, and it turns out that it's not implemented yet. But this is truly a developing story because the appeals court is going to be hearing arguments today.
Right. I mean, they're going to hear later this morning, and it all like came out so quickly last night. Very unusual late night order by the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit that's kind of overseeing this issue, saying that they were not going to let this law take effect. Now, how did we get here? Well, I mean, first of all, there's a lot of legal hurdles and procedural issues in play, and that's really where we are. But as we saw, as you said yesterday afternoon, the Supreme Court said that it was not going to get involved. Now, there were a lot of headlines about that, and you know, everyone kind of was like, oh my gosh, the sky is falling. But really all the court was doing in that order was saying we're not getting involved right now. And then there was a separate opinion by Justices Barrett and Kavanaugh saying, telling the appeals court, you guys better get on this. Let's make a decision. Come on, let's get this process going. It's not right for the Supreme Court to decide because the appeals court hasn't finished their work. Get on it. And so, man, that appeals court, they said, okay, and they did. And that's what you saw late last night. They said, we're not going to let this law take effect, and we're going to have arguments Wednesday morning on whether the law will ever take effect as this litigation unfolds on the merits of this case, which, of course, we haven't even gotten to the merits and the constitutionality of the case on appeal. This is all about procedural and whether or not this law can take effect while the case plays out. Bottom line, though, this is only the beginning, and this case is going to be right back up to the Supreme Court at some point.
No surprise, we're right in the middle of election season. Jan, thank you very much. CBS News immigration reporter Camilo Montoya-Galvez is following the reaction from Texas. Camilo, it's good to see you. Even if this law gets the go-ahead, though, enforcement faces a number of challenges.
That's right, Anne-Marie. Good morning. SB 4 would empower Texas officials to arrest, jail, and prosecute migrants anywhere in the state of Texas if there is reason to believe that they enter the country unlawfully here along the U.S.-Mexico border. State judges could also require migrants to go back to Mexico under SB 4, but the Mexican government, Anne-Marie, has already called this law anti-immigrant and vowed to reject any returns of migrants from Texas, saying that has to be done at the federal level. But the law enforcement community here in Texas, Anne-Marie, is deeply divided. Some say this law is needed to curtail illegal immigration, but others say it could lead to racial profiling without sufficient training and resources. Local jails, some critics say, could quickly become overwhelmed. It's important to underscore that Texas is already arresting some migrants on criminal trespassing charges in areas just like this public park behind me, which the state of Texas commandeered in January. Texas has blocked federal agents from processing migrants in this 2.5-mile section of the U.S.-Mexico border. Anne-Marie, the Department of Homeland Security told us that it will not help Texas enforce this law, saying it could throw the immigration system into chaos.
All right, Camilo, thank you very much.